Here's an actionable step here for you. Use resource management software to track and allocate resources effectively. Stop the tape. Stop the doggone tape, because I already know I'm going to hear. Well, what software I should use? Should I use that software or should I use that? If you're in a company and again, since they're new, since they don't have project managers, pull out the good old Excel spreadsheet. Go to your stakeholders and say, hey, how many hours are you allocating for this project? You got 10? Okay, I got 10 hours. Is that monthly, weekly? We don't have to complicate this, family. See, what happens is a lot as humans, especially someone that's been certified in PMP or has their CAPM or has any degree or certification. We complicate it because we have all of these tools. Remember, the whole purpose of building out your toolbox is exactly that. It's a toolbox. So you need to know when to reach in there to get a Phillips. You need to know when to reach in there and get a flathead.